Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something powerful, something that every creator, entrepreneur, and dreamer needs, a professional website. But here's the twist. You don't need to spend a single dollar. That's right, we're going to build a professional website for free, using platforms anyone can access right now. Whether you're starting a business, building a personal brand, or just want to showcase your work to the world, this guide will take you step by step, from idea to launch, using free tools that give you professional-level results. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a live website, but also the knowledge to customize it, optimize it, and keep it looking sharp without paying for hosting or design services. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's get started. Step 1. Understanding why a website matters. Before we jump into builders and templates, let's answer a question. Why does having a website even matter? Social media already gives us profiles, followers, and content. Isn't that enough? The truth is, social media platforms can vanish overnight. Algorithms change constantly, and you don't own the space where your content lives. A website, on the other hand, is like your digital home. It's where people can always find you, no matter what happens on other platforms. It gives you credibility, professionalism, and control. And the best part, these days, you don't need to learn coding or hire expensive developers. Website builders have made it possible for anyone, literally anyone, to drag, drop, and publish. That's what we're about to explore. Step 2. Choosing the right free platform. There are dozens of free website builders out there, but today we're going to focus on the 4 most popular, beginner-friendly, and reliable ones: Wix, WordPress.com, Google Sites, and Card. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so let's walk through them. Wix, perfect for creatives, small businesses, and anyone who wants a lot of visual freedom. It offers drag-and-drop editing and hundreds of modern templates. Downside: the free plan includes Wix branding and a subdomain like yourname.wixsite.com. WordPress.com. This is the classic choice. WordPress powers nearly half the internet, and the free version of WordPress.com gives you a simple blog-style site with good customization. It's fantastic for writers, bloggers, and people who may want to scale later. Downside: the learning curve is a little steeper compared to Wix. Google Sites, clean, straightforward, and 100% free forever. It integrates with Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and more. If you want simplicity and zero learning curve, Google Sites is unbeatable. Downside: fewer design options and less flexibility for branding. Card: if you want a one-page website, maybe for a portfolio, a landing page, or a personal profile, Card is elegant and fast. You can literally build a site in 30 minutes. Downside: the free plan limits advanced features like forms or custom domains. The good news: you can try all of them for free and see what feels right. In this script, we'll build a site on each so you can compare results. Step 3. Defining your website's purpose. Before you even open Wix or WordPress, you need clarity. Ask yourself, why am I creating this website? Is it to showcase your portfolio? To promote your services or business? To share your writing, videos, or blog posts? To build a personal brand? This matters because the design and structure of your site depend on its purpose. For example, a portfolio site needs big visuals and clean galleries. A business site needs clear services and contact forms. A blog needs categories, posts, and easy navigation. Once you know your purpose, everything else becomes easier. Step 4. Setting up with Wix. Let's start with Wix, since it's one of the most beginner-friendly platforms. Go to Wix.com and sign up with your email or Google account. Once inside, Wix asks, do you want to use the Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, or the editor? The ADI will build a website for you in minutes by asking a few questions. The editor lets you drag and drop elements yourself. For full control, choose the editor. Select a template. Wix has hundreds, from business sites to portfolios to online stores. Pick one that fits your purpose. Customize the template. Change the text, upload your logo, adjust the colors to match your brand. Replace stock images with your own. Add pages like home, about, services, contact. Wix makes it simple with page management. Preview your site in desktop and mobile mode. Make sure everything looks good. Hit publish. Wix gives you a free URL in the format, username.wixsite.com/sitename. Congratulations, you now have a live website on Wix. Step 5. Building on WordPress.com. Next up, WordPress.com. Go to WordPress.com and create a free account. WordPress will ask what your website is for: a blog, a portfolio, a business site, or something else. Choose one. Select a free theme. Themes control how your site looks and feels. There are thousands, but start with something clean and simple. Customize the theme using the WordPress customizer. Change site title, colors, fonts, and add a logo if you have one. Add essential pages. WordPress comes with a default blog setup, but you can create static pages like about, services, and contact. Write your first blog post or add portfolio items. WordPress has blocks for images, text, and media. Hit publish, and your site goes live at a free address like yoursite.wordpress.com. WordPress gives you more flexibility in the long term, but it's a bit less visual than Wix. Still, it's a great free option for anyone who wants to grow later. Step 6. Creating with Google Sites. Now let's move to Google Sites, the simplest of them all. Go to sites.google.com and log in with your Google account. Click the blank template, or choose from a few available designs. Add a site title and upload a logo if you want. Insert text boxes, images, and sections. You can drag things around, but the layout is more structured than Wix. Add new pages for about, services, or portfolio. Google Sites makes navigation automatic. Insert Google Drive documents, YouTube videos, or forms directly into your site. A big advantage if you're already using Google tools. When you're ready, click Publish. You'll get a free link like sites.google.com/view/yourname. It's fast, free, and super clean. The only downside is limited design, but for basic professional use, it works beautifully. Step 7. Trying out Card. Finally, let's try Card. Go to cardi.co and click Choose a starting point. You'll see modern one-page templates. Pick one that fits your style. Customize text, images, buttons, and backgrounds. Card's editor is simple and fun to use. Add sections like About Me, Services, Portfolio, and Contact, all stacked vertically on a single scrolling page. Preview your site on desktop and mobile. Publish it for free. Your URL will be something like yourname.cardi.co. Card is minimal, fast, and looks modern. It's especially great for freelancers, resumes, and landing pages. Step 8. Must-have website elements. Regardless of which platform you choose, a professional website needs certain elements. Let's break them down. A clear homepage. This is your digital front door. Make it simple and inviting. About page. Tell your story, who you are, and what you do. People connect with people. Services or portfolio page. Show what you offer or what you've done. Use visuals where possible. Contact page. Include email, forms, or social links. Make it easy to reach you. Mobile optimization. Most visitors will come from phones, so double-check the mobile view. Consistency. Keep fonts, colors, and styles consistent across pages. It builds trust. Step 9. Customizing for professional look. Here's how to make your free website look like you spent thousands. Use high-quality images. Free stock photos from sites like Unsplash or Pexels look amazing. Pick a consistent color scheme. 3 colors max, 1 primary, 1 secondary, 1 accent. Choose clean fonts. Stick to 1 or 2. Keep it simple. Don't overload with too many widgets or effects. Use white space. Empty space makes a site look professional. Remember, less is more. A clean, simple site will always look better than a crowded one. Step 10. Publishing and sharing. Once your site is live, don't just leave it hidden. Share it everywhere. Add the link to your social media bios. Put it in your email signature. Share it on LinkedIn. If it's a portfolio, send it to potential clients. The more you share it, the more professional you look. Step 11. The future upgrade path. Of course, free plans come with limits, ads, subdomains, and less control. But that's okay. Start free and upgrade later when you're ready. For example, connect a custom domain like yourname.com. Remove ads. Unlock advanced features like forms, analytics, or e-commerce. But here's the truth. You don't need to pay anything to start. Free websites are more than enough for beginners, and many people never need more. Step 12. Final thoughts. So there you have it. We've gone through Wix, WordPress.com, Google Sites, and Card. We've built sites on each, compared their strengths, and looked at how to make them look professional without paying a cent. The internet is full of opportunities, but opportunities only matter if people can find you. Your website is your digital business card, your portfolio, your brand, and your story, all in one place. And the best part is that today, it's never been easier to put yourself online. If you've been waiting for the right moment, this is it. Don't wait for a perfect plan. Just pick a platform, follow these steps, and hit publish. Your professional website could be live in less than an hour for free. And with that, you now know how to create a professional website without spending a dime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more future tech, tutorials, and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.